It's always exciting when a boutique European car company decides to make waves in the US market. But what happens when that company delivers a machine that doesn't just turn heads, it snaps necks? Meet the YES Roadster 3.2, a German-built powerhouse that's all about pure, unfiltered driving pleasure. Built by German firm Funke Will, the YES Roadster first made headlines when it was confirmed for US distribution back in 2008. Resembling the Lotus Elise-based Opel Speedster and Vauxhall VX220, the YES Roadster 3.2 is a true driver's car, raw, lightweight, and exhilarating. But is it more than just another niche sports car? Let's talk numbers, because numbers don't lie. The standard YES 3.2 is powered by a 3.2-liter V6 producing 255 horsepower. With a featherlight weight of around 2,000 pounds, this rocket hits 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. But wait, there's more. For those who crave more, there's the YES 3.2 Turbo. Boosting output by an additional 100 horsepower, this beast launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds and has a blistering top speed of 175 miles per hour. Still not enough? There's even a 415 horsepower upgrade, and while official numbers weren't given, let's just say, hold onto your seat. The YES Roadster is more than just stats on paper, it's about the experience. Low weight means razor-sharp handling, and with its mid-engine layout, the car feels planted through every twist and turn. The raw, analog feel makes every drive an event, something even modern supercars struggle to replicate. But before you run to get your checkbook, let's talk pricing. When it launched, the YES 3.2 was expected to sit in Lotus Elise territory, around $50,000. Not cheap, but for a handcrafted, high-performance roadster, that price might just be justified. Boutique European sports cars don't always make it big, but the YES Roadster is a reminder that driving passion is alive and well. So, what do you think? Is the YES Roadster a forgotten gem, or was it doomed from the start? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Thank you for your attention, and have a nice day.
But wait a minute, you didn't smash the bell and press the like button. Blast.